How to increase Telegram download speed if you're using Telegram here on your PC or on any device, then how you can simply fix the slow downloading speed appears on your Telegram. For this, what you have to do is simply check and click your Telegram application. And the main thing is we have to reset and refresh the network setting to solve this issue because these type of issues only occurs when our network connection is not working good or fine. So let's click on the bottom right corner of the screen, that is my Wi-Fi network connection space, and then click on the Wi-Fi network. Here you can refresh it after switching it off and then switching it on again. Then it will automatically connect the Wi-Fi network near you. As you can see, the network speed is in full network strength. Now go on the start button to click on the restart option. This will refresh your background applications that have been opened on your PC, or it will switch off the softwares. So this is all you can do. Thank you so much for watching it.